Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on how to perform an internal cleaning of the Conga 3890. Keeping your device clean is crucial for optimal performance and longevity. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide to help you through the process. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, compressed air canister, a microfiber cloth, a soft brush for dusting. Now that you have your tools ready, let's begin the disassembly. Start by turning off the Conga 3890 and unplugging it from the power source. This is important for your safety. 1. Remove the screws. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the device. Make sure to keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. 2. Open the housing. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the housing using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious to avoid damaging any clips. 3. Inspect the interior. With the housing open, take a moment to inspect the interior for any dust or debris. This is a good time to use the soft brush to gently dislodge any buildup. 4. Use compressed air. Next, take your compressed air canister and carefully blow air into the crevices to remove any loose particles. Hold the canister upright to avoid any moisture from escaping. 5. Wipe down surfaces. Now, take your microfiber cloth and dampen it slightly. Wipe down all surfaces inside the device, being careful around sensitive components. Make sure everything is dry before proceeding. If at any point you feel uncertain about performing this cleaning yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help assess the situation for you. 6. Reassemble the device. After cleaning, it's time to put everything back together. Align the housing and ensure that all clips are secured before replacing the screws. Remember to tighten them, but don't overdo it to avoid stripping. 7. Final check. Once reassembled, give your Conga 3890 a quick test run to ensure everything is functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to handle the cleaning yourself, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This means no calls, no travel, just convenience at your fingertips. 8. Get a quote before repair. Should you need any repairs after inspection, we ensure you'll receive a quote before any repair work begins. This way, you can make informed decisions without any surprises. With these steps, you should now have a clean and well-maintained Conga 3890. Regular internal cleaning can greatly enhance performance and extend the life of your device. Thank you for following along, and enjoy your cleaner, more efficient Conga 3890. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.